Tellico Village Network and the Tellico Village Birding Club presents Birds of Tellico Village. The Birds of Tellico Village series is designed to provide beginning birders and residents who have moved to the village from other parts of the country an overview of the bird species commonly found in the village. In this episode, we will look at the American robin, eastern towhee, American goldfinch, house finch, tree swallow, and ruby-throated hummingbird. Robins, towhees, goldfinches, and house finches are year-round residents of the village. Swallows and hummingbirds are present from spring to fall. The familiar American robin is the largest thrush and one of the most populous bird species in North America. From fall to spring, robins are seen in the village on lawns and in open spaces, hunting for earthworms and insects, and in trees eating berries. During winter, the few robins that remain are mostly found in wooded areas, with berries being their predominant food. The eastern towhee is a common bird in the village, often seen scratching debris on the ground looking for insects and seeds. The eastern towhee of the eastern U.S. and spotted towhee of the western U.S. were once considered a single species called a rufous-sided towhee, but were split apart in 1995 by the American Ornithological Union. The male American goldfinch is a small, striking, bright yellow and black bird in its breeding plumage. Female goldfinches are a little less colorful than males, with both males and females duller still in the winter. American goldfinches molt their body feathers twice a year, once in late summer and a second time in late winter. Found year-round in the village, goldfinches are seed eaters and are fond of bird feeders filled with thistle seed. A year-round resident of the village, the house finch is one of the species most commonly seen at bird feeders. The house finch was originally a bird of the western U.S. and Mexico. In 1940, a small number of finches were turned loose on Long Island, New York, after failed attempts to sell them as cage birds. From there, they spread across the eastern U.S., including all of Tennessee. A sure sign of spring, tree swallows are found in the village through the fall. Adults are iridescent blue with white fronts, while juvenile birds are brownish with white fronts. Flies, beetles, ants, and grasshoppers comprise their insect-based diet, which they usually catch and eat while on the wing. Tree swallows nest in cavities and frequently take up residence in bluebird boxes. Zipping around the village between flowers and nectar feeders, ruby-throated hummingbirds arrive in April and head south in late September. Males have the colorful ruby throats from which their name is derived, although the throats can appear to be black or orange based on lighting conditions. Ruby-throated hummingbirds are very territorial, especially males. Anyone with nectar feeders has probably witnessed the aerial battles that take place as a result of this aggressiveness. Birds of Tellico Village was presented by Tellico Village Network and the Tellico Village Birding Club. Look for additional episodes on Tellico Village Network. For more information on the Tellico Village Birding Club, visit the club's website at tvbirdingclub.org.